Nothing fucking do you. Why does it even fucking matter? I'd rather be fucking have a penalty and fucking pay for it than have a fucking faker. I don't care. I'll be out the next fucking day. I have a handcuff out of my wrist. Fucking handcuff me again. I don't fucking care.
You have a handcuff out of your wrist?
There you go, bitch. I don't care. Take me for a fucking penalty. I'd rather have a penalty than a finger right for 3 fucking days. Tighten everything. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I didn't open the door! Fuck you.